on day 4. Hopefully it's not too windy here. This is Lake Alta, which, if I'm being honest, is kind of a worthless hike, but it's short and it's kind of on the way to Te Anau, which is where I'm headed. Not that it's that long of a drive, but you know, it'll be 2 miles, 650 feet of gain. It's just at the top of this ski resort, which is closed for the summer, called Remarkables. Long, windy way up here. I don't know what my altitude is, but it's got to be pretty high because it was just like straight up to get here. No one's here past one super small group on the way, but feels good to be at altitude for a little bit and get something short in because I got a big day tomorrow. I booked this like boat tour in Te Anau. Starts at 2, so I'm just gonna kind of head back down. Te Anau, quick bite to eat, boat tour, and then crash pretty early, get ready for Kepler. I mean, the entire drive has been like this. Just along this lake with these mountains. I've been driving for like 30 minutes and it's just been like the most scenic, beautiful, just lake and mountains. Might have a nice little view up here. 1 second. Sorry for that beeping. It's like the lane, you're out of your lane noise, which is just like always going because these lanes are so small. All right, made it to Te Anau. It's about 2 hours. Everyone in New Zealand drives the speed limit. Beautiful, scenic, but slow. Got here and did like a 2-hour jet boat tour into the Fiordlands. Jet boat tour into the Fiordlands National Park, and actually we stopped and looked at the Kepler Trail, which looked gorgeous beyond logic. Got me so pumped, which is what I'm gonna do tomorrow. And the guy in the boat, although he's not a hiker, said most people don't do the last 8 or 9 kilometers, which is like 4 or 5 miles, and then just catch a shuttle back to where their car is, which is perfect because the difference between a 37-mile hike and like a 33-mile hike is actually kind of substantial, even if the elevation's still going to be like 7K, which is a lot. But I think I'm going to try to get up at like 4 or 4:30 instead of 3 or 3:30 with that information. It's a little bit of a game changer. This town, Te Anau, 3,000 people. There's nobody here. Grocery store, gas station, couple restaurants, couple tourist outfits. I guess the town triples in summer right now, but yeah, it's just on this beautiful lake, and it's kind of the last kind of big town, I guess you'd call, before Milford Sound, which gets all the love and recognition. So it's about 4 o'clock. I'm gonna hit the grocery store, get a couple more supplies, check into the hotel, get dinner. Hope it doesn't split. Like there's like a 15 or 30% chance of rain for an hour tomorrow, but you never know. It's in the mountains in the middle of nowhere. Just gonna hope and pray. And the jet boat was actually pretty fun. I knew it's less like adrenaline, more nature. The thing had like, the guy said he had like 320 horsepower. And there was about 10 of us on there. And he didn't really hit it. I mean, we went fast. It was just stunningly beautiful. I mean, this river, we drank water out of it. Just put a cup in, just drank water out of it. Water tasted great. Lord of the Rings, like few different sections of the movie was filmed at different parts along the river. So it's more just like an absolutely beautiful, pretty fast boat ride down this river into the Fiordlands National Park. Stopped a couple times, did a couple spins or whatever on the boat, or whatever. It was kind of fun, I guess. But one, there's nothing to do in this town. Two, it was 2 hours, cost $100. And three, it was just gorgeous. The whole thing was just beautiful. Down this river, just birds flying around, just undisturbed nature and clean water. You could see to the bottom of the river, just crystal clear. It's incredible.